Hi guys, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, then thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you'd like to subscribe, the button to do so is just here and I would really appreciate it. So every single month I share with you where I'm going to be for that month. Obviously it's January the 1st today, so I'm going to be sharing with you where I'm going this month. If you think this is going to interest you and you want to see where I'm going to be, then please do keep watching. For those that have seen my roster reveals before, you already know my favourite place is Antigua, so it'll probably not come as a surprise to you to know that the first place I'm going in January is Antigua. I'm really looking forward to going. Obviously it's my favourite place. I think that just to get a bit of Caribbean sunshine in the winter months is brilliant. I went to Vegas and I can't remember my other trip I did, but obviously it wasn't that sunny, it was quite cold, so it's nice to be able to have an excuse to sit by a pool, read a book. I like to use these trips as relaxation trips more than anything, especially when they're only like 4 days, because we get there the first day, the next day we're working again, and then the next day we're working home, so there's not really much downtime, so I'd rather not spend it hungover, if you know what I mean. Like, the last time I was in Antigua, it was like 30 degrees. I was gonna say 36, but that would have just been a complete lie. I can't remember. I think it was like 30 degrees, which of course it's like what, 8 here? So it's a big comparison. But I actually got some books over Christmas that I'm really looking forward to reading. This month I'm probably gonna honestly get through them all. So when I get back from Antigua, I have 3 days off, which is really nice. I usually only get around 2 days off after a long haul. 2 days is like the legal requirement, but it's nice when they give you an extra day off because it just means that obviously there's more times for you to like relax, catch up on your sleep, do things that you need to do. I'll probably still use that time sleeping and being lazy, but it's great. After my days off, I've got a St. Lucia, which is of course another Caribbean destination. We are known as the beach fleet, so it's very apt that I'll be spending the month on the beach, but still, I love St. Lucia. A lot of people, I've probably said it a million times before, the bus journey really puts people off because it's like an hour each way, which can be quite stressful. Maybe not stressful, it just makes you really tired, and it's very windy roads, so it makes you feel a little bit sick, but I don't really mind. I just usually listen to music or try to get a bit of sleep before or after the flight. The day that it really takes me out of is the second day when we do the shuttle, because obviously the flight's only like an hour and a half, if that, so you're actually kind of spending as much time driving to the airport as you are on the plane, but it is what it is. It's so nice, and I love when we get to do like the little island hops and coming into land. If you're in the flight deck, it's incredible, so I might see if I can get in there. To be honest, usually on a St. Lucia I'm also really antisocial because I don't really like the whole drinking thing in St. Lucia, because I just find Caribbean alcohol is so strong. So I'd rather kind of get back to my room and sleep, and then have the next day to chill before the like shuttle flight, and then that's when I'll relax. I might have 1 or 2 drinks in the evening when we get back, but nothing that's gonna make me hungover for the next day, because obviously we're flying home. So it's kind of a balance between whether you want to drink or obviously be well rested for the flights, and I like to be well rested. I think when I first started I was like, yeah, I'll go for a drink, but now I'm like, yeah, you might see me when, yeah, if I'm there, I'm there, if I'm not, I'm not, but yeah, I'm planning on coming out, you don't see me. I feel really bad. I'm always like, chances are it's actually going to be a no. So then I go into something called 900 hour days, and these are basically when your hours are approaching 900 hours. The clue's in the title, maybe I explained that really weirdly, but if you are in the aviation industry and you fly, you're only allowed to actually fly a certain amount of hours a year. I don't know if it's something to do with the radiation or, you know, the sleep pattern. I don't know, I'm not clever enough to understand it, but it basically means that they give you 900 hour days so that you can do groundwork, so you can still earn money and a wage. These are typically spread out throughout the year because obviously you don't want to have like a whole month where you're not working, because that would just not give you any money at all. So I think my hours are like 806 maybe, which is really nice that they've spread it out, because I want to be able to earn enough money each month to get me by. I have 6 in total for this month. I have 3 after my other trip. But basically, you check your roster the night before, and then if they haven't changed you, you'll just sleep like normal. And then when you wake up the next day, you have to check it at a certain time. And if they've changed you for a flight, then you have to do that flight. If they haven't changed you, then that's now a day off, which is really nice because it's basically like a better form of standby, because on standby you'd probably be waiting at home for 8, 10, I think 10 is the highest, but 8 or 10 or 4 or 6 hours, any of them times, and you can get called at any point. So say you started your standby at 8 a.m. and you finished it at 4 p.m. That's 8 hours on standby, but they could literally call you at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and say you've got a 4 o'clock report. So you've been up since say 6, and then you've got a 4 o'clock report, which you might not get home till 1. It's nice when it's like this, because if you haven't been changed in the morning, then that's it. So if I'm not used on my 900-hour days, then I'll actually have a week off in total, which is really nice. Like, I could bid for that as, I could put in for that as leave and maybe not get it, but I could put in for it as leave and have a week off, but they've given it to me for like nothing, if that makes sense, even though they're 900-hour days. But I think hopefully, because it's like kind of the winter period, I won't be used. 3 of the days are obviously days off at the 20th, the 21st and the 22nd. Sorry, I forgot how to count. The 21st is actually my mum's birthday, so it's really nice that I've got a proper day off around them, because obviously if I want to have maybe a drink with my mum, or if we go out and do something, then at least I'm not worrying about having work the next day, which is really nice. After my days off, I've got another St. Lucia, so that is actually all my trips for that month. So I'm pretty much spending it all in the Caribbean, which is going to be brilliant. By the end of the month, I'm going to have like a glowing tan, I swear. But, well, I probably won't. I'll probably be burnt and bitten by mosquitoes, but let me dream. I really love St. Lucia. I feel like every time I go, there's incredible sunsets. I don't know what it is about St. Lucia actually. I feel like the sunsets in St. Lucia are like nothing I've ever seen before. That sounds so cringy, but they're not like orange, they're pink and purple, like proper purple, like deep purple. I'll see if I can put some photos in, maybe here, of the sunsets, but they're literally like, I don't know if you can see them, but hopefully I've been able to edit them in, but they're incredible. Like, the colour is just amazing. Like, there's no filter on it at all, and it looks like that on camera. It's like, it's something you can't really describe, but I feel like it'll be really nice to get some more photos of St. Lucia, because my phone is literally like sunset photo after sunset photo after sunset photo, I swear. But overall, I think that's a really lovely little month. I don't think any of the flights are stressful, so it's going to be nice to get back into it after my leave, because if you know from my other video, I've just had like almost 2 weeks off as leave over the Christmas period. I've been really lucky to get it, and I'm so thankful that I got it off, because it's been so nice to be at home with my family, especially because obviously it is Christmas and everything, and I'm really grateful because I know that some people didn't get it off that really wanted it off, so I feel so bad for them, and I'm just really grateful that I managed to get it off. I know none of these destinations are new destinations to anyone if you have seen my videos before, but it doesn't bother me. It's quite nice to go somewhere that I know, because I know exactly what's going on. I know where anything is if I need it. I know that everything's in a certain place and what our allowance is there and stuff like that. So in Antigua we get given a certain amount of money for the day, and in St. Lucia we get breakfast, and it's so nice. It's like a buffet style breakfast, continental. The other one, don't know what the other one is, cooked, that's the one. So we get like 2 types, which is really nice. And then obviously in Antigua we can use it not just for breakfast but the whole day, so it's really great. I don't particularly like having breakfast in Antigua, just because I don't really feel up for it in the morning, but I know that I can use it on lunch and get myself like a really nice burger, or you know, a BLT or some pasta or a salad, so it's really nice. So that's actually it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry if it didn't interest you. I know the destinations are all places that I've been to before, and if you've seen my videos before, you probably feel like I'm repeating myself a lot. For February, I've tried to bid for Cape Town and the Maldives and more 5 to 6 day trips. And I've also put in a buddy bid with my friend James. So I'm really hoping that we obviously get a trip together, and to go to Cape Town would be incredible. Neither of us have been there before, and it's a trip that it's like in such high demand by other crew that we probably won't get, but I still really hope we get a nice trip together. The last trip I did with him was actually St. Lucia, so it would be nice to see him again as well. So I'm hoping that my February roster reveal will be a little bit more exciting. But if you did enjoy the video, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you would like, please pop a comment down below and tell me how your Christmas was. I'm really interested to hear what you guys have been up to over this period. I know I haven't uploaded a video since like forever. I might be able to get my Winter Wonderland video up before this video, which would be nice, but if not, then I'll put it afterwards. It's only going to be like a mini vlog, so hopefully you've either already seen it yet or you haven't, and you can watch it after this. Thank you so much to everyone that's followed me on Instagram. I think I just hit 2,000, which is really nice for me because I didn't think anyone would enjoy my photos either. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, I'll leave it here, but if you do, thank you so much for following me. It means a lot, and it means a lot to me every time someone messages me anything, like a really sweet little message, or even just asking how I am and stuff. It's so nice to hear that people are watching my videos. So when I get messages like, oh hey, watched your video, it just makes my day, and I screenshot every single one of them because it's just, I didn't even think like one person was going to watch it, so it's nice to hear that people are watching and enjoying. And also, if you are subscribed to me on this channel, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. I know I don't have 1,000 or 1,000,000 or however many, but even having 300 means so much to me because I thought I'd be making these videos and no one would be watching, so it's really nice to hear that people are. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a good day, morning, night, wherever you are in the world. I hope 2020 is kind to you, and I hope to film for you again soon.